Okay, we're starting.
Alright, hi again. So I figured before I go sit down, I'm just going to tell you how I made little crackers. First of all, this is my sourdough starter. I fed it today and it was pretty full, so I had to take a bunch out. I didn't feel like making biscuits or other things, so I googled and I found a recipe for making sourdough discard crackers. So it was about 1 cup of the starter, 2 cups and a little bit of white flour, and then I just let it sit. And then to make the crackers, it's kind of fun. I wasn't really sure how this would turn out. So you just roll it out super thin. I don't normally wake up expecting to spend my entire day in the kitchen, but it appears that that is my life right now. Because yesterday I made all that Indian food, that took all day, and today I made bread and beans, and you know, why sit down? I'll just make crackers, because why not? And then when I made the crackers, then we were thinking, well, these are beautiful crackers, we should have something to put them in. So we made hummus. So there you go. And then I roll it out nice and thin. Probably they could be thinner, but if I had a pasta roller, that would be fun. But I don't. And then I'm gonna put some water on here. I'm gonna sprinkle it with some pepper. For the dough I also used 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of starter, probably about 9 tablespoons of olive oil. I used that rosemary olive oil that is not my favorite, but it tastes pretty good in the crackers. All the salt. And then I'm going to do like this. Then they break apart. It's super easy. And then, over here in my mess, is the bread I made. Nice loaf of oatmeal bread. And in the oven, don't look in the oven, it's not clean. It's the other crackers that I made. And I'm just going to switch out. This one needs to be cooked a little more, but look at them. They're so easy and so fancy. Imagine taking that to a party. Anyway, that was it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be happy to give you the recipe in the notes. Hope you're